Number 14, use the Pythagorean theorem, round to the nearest tenth. The Pythagorean theorem says that a squared plus b squared equals c squared, meaning if we have a right triangle, and we have a right triangle here because there's a 90-degree angle here. So here's A, here's B. This long side would be C. I know it's labeled D, so we need to say what D equals, but that is our C here. So it says if we have A as a square, and we add B as a square, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this square, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, says those two squares will equal this square when you add them up. When you find the area of both squares and add them up, this brown one and this green one would be equal to the same size as this blue one. So let's do some math though. A is 3. 3 to the second power is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that'll be 9. Plus b squared is 5 to the second power. 5 times 5 is 25 equals c squared. We don't know what c is yet. So 9 plus 25 is 34 equals c squared. So then in order to undo this exponent here, we're going to do the inverse of exponents. And those are these things. This is it's a radical or a root. We're going to do the square root to both sides. So we're going to do the square root of 34 and the square root of c. The square root of c to the second power. The square root of c to the second power is just c. This symbol crosses off that too. And now we need to find the square root of 34. I'll have you just do this on your calculator and then round to the nearest tenth.